This is Mark the Meerkat with the trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. Let's take a look at what happened on AMRN. Now here it was at opening. It pulled back, and a big huge pullback here. We was trading it and it went up, and that was setting up an ascending triangle, broke out from there, and then it was in a bull flag, pulling back in a bull flag, and then it broke out from there. Now we did do some of those trades, but I'm going to talk about trade number 14 from today. Last trade near the end of the morning. We only trade until about 11:30, 12 o'clock market time. And here it was high basing. This is a high base. Want to know more about that? Go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. And right here it was basing underneath $14. So I set the trade above 14, let the market come to me, and at that point the odds would be in my favor. So I'm sitting here ready to go, and what happened? Boom, right there. It did pop up, and I'm now long at $14.03. This is a 1 minute chart. Each one of these candles is 1 minute on my day trading chart. But the principles still apply, whether you're day trading or whether you're swing trading or longer term position trading. These patterns show up and no matter what the length of the candle is, whether it's a 1 day or a 1 minute candle like I'm using. So I went ahead and I set my stop here just below that resistance line there. So I had just a little bit less than 1% at risk at it. And let's see where we go from there. Boom, 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 boom. And it started to stall up here at 14.20. So I went ahead and I took out 1/2 at 14.22 for 1.4% on the first half, bringing my stop up in the money here at 14.09, so that below the 8 EMA, so that I could go ahead and maximize my gain there. So let's let the rest of this run. Let's see what happened after that. And sure enough, oh, boom, boom, boom. Look at that going up here, way overextended up here. So I'm bringing my stop here along this 8 EMA. You see, that's that little thin red line there. I just keep bringing my stop up, and let's see if it's going to let it run. Oh, look at that. It pulled back down on this candle right here and stopped me out right there at 14.40 for 2.6% on the second half. Yeah, and then it did continue to pull back all the way to the 20 moving average. This is quite a pullback, by the way, from up the high up there to where it pulled back. That's over 2.5%. Wow, you know, you can't defend against that. But I'm happy. So between the first half and the second half then on this, it was for 2.0% in 14 minutes. So I am now back from vacation. I've been on vacation, and then I was out of town on work for a while. So we are now back in the saddle again. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that at Grok Trade, we set our trades and let the market come to us, because chasing a trade is a loser's game. Trade well, and may your winners run.